Today's recipe is so versatile you can serve it over pasta or put it in an oversized mug. We're making an Italian-style chili pot in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Over the years, we've made all sorts of chili. Everything from chunky Texas style, which of course doesn't have any beans, to a blonde chicken version that's light and bright. And today, we're cooking up a big pot of chili that combines lean ground beef and some flavor-packed Italian sausage. And the results are nothing short of lip-smacking delicious. The first thing we do is brown some lean ground beef, along with a good amount of Italian-style sausage that we remove from the casing. After that cooks for a few minutes, we toss in some chopped onion and garlic and let that cook for a bit. At this point, we add a couple cans of kidney beans, crushed tomatoes, a small can of tomato sauce, and a bunch of spices. After this simmers for half an hour or so, it's ready to serve. Talk about a dish that will warm you up from the inside out. Maybe top each bowl with some shredded cheddar cheese or a dollop of sour cream. Or hey, why not both? To get your hands on this flavor-packed chili recipe, simply visit our website and look for what we call Italian-style chili pot. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we have a chili-licious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.